On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create children's short storybooks using Canva, and you can sell these storybooks on any platform like Etsy, Stand Store, Pay, wherever you may want to sell this and make some money off of it. Now, the best part about this thing I'm going to show you is that all the tools you're going to be using for this are completely for free. So to begin, you're going to go to ChatGPT to generate our story. Now, you can use ChatGPT or you can write the story by yourself, like generate it from your head, and you can use that too. But for this video, we're going to use ChatGPT. So we're going to ask it this prompt: give me a very short educative story for children's storybook about any animal children love. That is what I'm going to ask it, and I'm going to ask it to generate. So ChatGPT has finished generating the story for us. So right now, if you want, you can copy this and place it on a notepad, or you can copy it directly from ChatGPT. So for the next step, you're going to go to Canva. So this is Canva. You're going to come here and look for children's storybook. Now Canva has brought out lots of templates that you can actually use to customize your own, and you can use any of these templates. However, you have to make sure to look closely to check if they have this. That is, if you're using the Canva free version, and if you're using the Pro, you're allowed to use anyone. There are some that are paid, there are some that are for free. Now for this example, this one is for free. We're going to use it. We're going to click here and click where it says customize this template. Now this has opened. All you have to do is just to remove the ones you don't want, add the ones you want, anyhow you want to do the editing. So for that, we're going to select all of them because we don't want any of this, and we are going to delete. So now we have this blank page. If you want, you can change the color. That's if you don't like the color you're having. Now going back to ChatGPT, you must have read through the story to understand everything that it's talking about and the storyline and everything. Now once you have understood it, you go over to this free AI tool called ideogram.ai. This is where you're going to get the stock image you're going to be using to create your storybook for children. Now there's something I do on this website, which is something I'm going to recommend to you. Once you look through all these things people have created, you're going to pick the one that speak to what you have in mind to create. Once you have picked the one you want, then you can use that to generate the image or whatever you want to generate from using this AI tool. So you're going to look through to see the one that looks closely to what you have in mind to design. So I think I like this. What I'm going to do now is just to copy this prompt they used. You click here where there's 3 dots, and then you click copy prompt. Once you've copied it, you come back here and paste your prompt. Now, once you have pasted that, you go back to ChatGPT or wherever you pasted your story, and then you're going to read through to know the prompt you're going to ask the AI to generate for you. So here is describing a squirrel. I'm going to copy the description of the squirrel here, and then it says in a cozy forest nestled between tall trees. I'm going to copy this too. So here is my prompt: a Disney poster of soft, fluffy fur and a bushy-tailed squirrel in a cozy forest nested between tall trees. So now that I have gotten my prompt, I'm going to ask it to generate. You see, it has finished generating this beautiful squirrel. So what I'm going to do is just to check the one I want, and I'm going to copy it. So I think I like this one. I'm going to download this. I'm going to click download. Now have it in my laptop. Now that I have this, the next thing is to go back to Canva. Now here is Canva. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the image I got from the AI tool. I've gotten that. The next thing is go to element, and we're going to look for blobs that we're going to use to design this. So for that, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to position it properly the way I want. And then I'm going to go to uploads and choose this image that I have gotten, and I'm going to upload it here, and I'm going to add in the name of the story. On ChatGPT, the story is Sammy the Squirrel Learns to Share. So I'm going to copy the story title, go to test, add test. I'm going to position it properly, and I'm going to add in the name. Now I'm going to make it to look big or do the necessary customization anyhow I want it to be, change the fonts and every other thing that I need to change. So for this, the fonts that I can use, I'm going to use this. I'm going to draw it, make it bold. I'm going to change the color here. I'm going to make it red, position it properly. I'm going to add page. I'm going to go to elements here and look for trees and anything I can use to make it look beautiful. Then I've positioned it. I'm going to make the transparency thinner here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add another block to it. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to copy the first paragraph, go back to Canva, add text. I'm going to paste it in, make it fit in properly because it's not fitting in here. Now it is important for you to get the images, every image you're going to be using based on the storyline from ChatGPT, and you're going to get all these images, have them ready in your laptop before you start this process. So you must have gotten all the image from Ideogram or anywhere else you may want to get your image from. You can also use the images here on Canva. because Canva have lots of images that you can actually use. So I'm going to go to uploads again because I've uploaded some images again, and I'm going to choose the ones I want. I'm going to increase it. I'm going to add image and continue until I finish editing all the storybook. Now, because this is children's storybook, you may want to change the colors of these books and the images to make it look colorful because children love colors. So to do that, I can change this one to, let's say, yellow. I'm going to add more images and do the necessary editing of everything. I have finished editing the whole book, and this is the outcome. It's looking cool, right? Now, if you don't like the images that were generated for you, you can use the elements in Canva to substitute for that. Like I did somewhere here, I substituted the rabbit with the one I got here from Canva, and it still came out nice. So you can choose to do this anyhow you want. And once you're done and satisfied with this book, now the next thing is to export this book. I'm going to show you how to make the book flip like you saw in the beginning of this video. But before I do that, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate you. And if you want a copy of this book, please let me know in the comment section. I will be glad to send it to you. So to make this book flip the way you saw, I'm going to click here where it says share, and then you're going to go to where it says more with 3 dots, click on it, and then you're going to see socials, messages, and other apps here. And here are more options. You can use any of these options. There is Bookblue, Flipbooks, and others. So but I'm going to be using Flipping Book, and I'm going to click here. I'm going to add all the pages to flip. I'm going to click done and click save. I'm going to click here where it says view in Flipping Book. So I'm going to expand this here and flip it so you see. This is the end. The book is just short, just 10 pages, and this is the outcome. It's looking really, really nice. So I hope this video was helpful. You can use this to create children books that you can sell on any platform. If you're looking to start up a writing job or a typing job, I have these videos right here that can actually help you. Or if you want to create your own talking avatar, also check out this video. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.